Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's me and Dioff, and I have another wig. Well, it's not a review, but the review is already on my channel, but I'm just reinstalling this wig from Ishow Hair. So I glued down the wig before, but for this install I added an elastic band, so all I gotta do is glue down the sides, the sideburns. I think I'm gonna start doing that now, because what's the point of gluing down the whole wig if you're gonna take it out? Well, I was taking it out the next day, so this is like another temporary glue. I just get the got to be spray, and I just spray down the sides because the elastic band is already holding down the front. So I went ahead and just brushed out the part. It was a middle part before, but you got to get rid of that part. I put concealer on that part, so it was really hard to get rid of it, but you guys will see. I've been seeing so much people with this hairstyle, and I was like, oh my god, this is so cute. Like, I want to try this out. But you know me, when it's time for me to try something new out, I'm always on some time, but like, it's not gonna be nice and it's not gonna be the same as however somebody else has it. So let me know if I achieve this fire look. Guys, it was so hard to get this hair into a ponytail. You don't even understand. So I didn't know if I wanted to lay baby hairs, but it was already there. It was sticking up like, yo, lay me. So I was like, you know what, I might as well. Like, you couldn't really tell, but it was a good choice to lay some baby hairs. So guys, I got this spray from the beauty supply store. It was only $5.99, and I use it just to add some shines to my wigs, because you know, when you want to curl your hair, you want it to be shiny like the front. You see how it was all shiny. So I just add like a little bit oil or a spray that's supposed to be used for that. So guys, we're just gonna curl the whole wig, and then we're gonna get into our makeup. So I use my e.l.f. poreless primer, and I ended up using KKW body foundation as an actual foundation. So for concealer, I'm going right back to mixing different colors, because I don't know, I really feel like my makeup is extremely light now. So I'm gonna go back to Sephora, and I'm gonna go makeup shopping, and I'm gonna buy the right shade for everything, because I don't know, it's still gonna come out as a fire beat, but you don't understand when you yourself, you realize something and you can't really fix it. But I'm gonna fix it, guys. Oh, and by the way, this part right here, I get so excited to do it. Like, you don't even understand. Like, when I beat my face, this is the part that I look forward to doing. So as I started blending it out, by the way, I used Toffee from Born This Way, LA Girl Pro Dark Cocoa, and I just mixed those two together, and then I got this color right here. But the Toffee is really kind of light, so I'm gonna have to go back to Born This Way and go at least 2 shades down or just 1 shade down. I'm not sure yet, but once I get these new products, I really can't wait to beat my face. So guys, my camera put an effect on me and I really like it. I don't know, I be trying to get this effect sometimes, but it don't work when I want to do it. So for it to be on this specific clip and so on to the end of this video, I want you guys to enjoy this effect right here, because it's just making my makeup look 10 times better. Like, I ain't even do a good job. Like, the effect is what's making it look good. Guys, shout out to Ishow Hair for sending me this beautiful unit. Everything about this hair is going to be down below. This is the final look. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. The other video that I did with this same hair is going to be down below also. So thank you so much for watching.